Okay, welcome to today's class. So in today's class, I'm going to be showing you how to use a computer mouse. Okay, so this is my laptop here, right? Good. And this mouse pad over here, you can see this mouse pad over here. While we also have an external mouse, like this, an external mouse. You can see it over here. Good. So they look alike, right? Somehow. Now for the mouse pad, we have two buttons. These two buttons and these two buttons are the same. Okay, so on a mouse, on an external mouse, we have the same. We have the button here and here. Then we have the scroll button. Okay, so we use this button to scroll up and down, right? We use this button to right click. This button at the right, you use it to right click. We left click with this and double click with this. Now this is their functions. Now when I want to select an application on my laptop, so what I do is that I just click. So when I say click, I mean you should press this button just once. Okay, when I say double click, that's how we open applications. If you want to open an application, you just double click by pressing it twice, or you just tap twice over here. Okay, if I say right click, we use right clicking to bring out options. So if I click on this right button over here, you see I'll get options on my screen. You see that? Good. So that's it about using the mouse. So in our next class, I'm going to show you how to use the computer keyboard, and feel free to ask me questions if you have any. Bye bye.